Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop apps from automatically updating on your Windows 10 store. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up the store. So just open up the start menu, type in Windows Store. You can type in Microsoft Store as well. It should get to the same search result. And just want to go ahead and open that up. Select the three-dotted horizontal icon near the top right corner of the Microsoft Store. Left click on that, and then select Settings. Where it says App Updates, Update Apps Automatically, you want to toggle this to the off position. So left click inside the oval one time, and that'll disable the automatic updating of apps in the Microsoft or Windows Store. So pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.